We'll find DFT of a 4-point for the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Also sketch magnitude on phase spectra. So here intention is not to solve this because previously we have already discussed. So now intention is if n is equal to 4 and suppose if n is equal to 8, what is the general formula which we can write to find the DFT as well as magnitude and phase spectra? Okay, so we'll get first general equation. So now we will discuss for n is equal to 4. Actually formula for DFT is x of k, which is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi by n into n k. Okay, so where n is equal to n is equal to 4, right? So x of k is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1 is 3, x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4 into n into k. Okay, as it is varies two dimension n and k. Now we will concentrate on n. So first x of k, which is equal to summation of, okay, so n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4 into n k. If this is okay, now let us say, so n has to be varied, okay, from 0, 1, 2 and 3, since it is 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So x of k will be equal to see x of 0 into e raised to n is there, so e raised to 0, because x of 0 into e raised to 0, plus x of 1, n is 1 now, x of 1 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4, n is 1, 1k. Okay, next plus x of 2 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4, n is 2, 2k, plus x of 3 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4 into 3k. Okay, this is what the general formula says. Okay, and next we have to go ahead for x of 0, which is k equal to 0. That time this k has to be substituted with 0. Next x of 1, so k has to be substituted with 1. Okay, in this way we have to go ahead. If the sequence, any sequence among this all are some values, then no problem. If any sequence is any one sequence or two sequences are 0, you need not calculate that's e raised to value. Okay, so this is one thing. And another one is if n is equal to 8. Okay, if n is equal to 8, then what we have to do is same formula, n is equal to 8. What we have to do is same, that is x of k, which is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi by n it is, so therefore n is 8, 2 pi by 8 into n into k. So now we will substitute n is equal to 8, so already I had substituted. We'll see n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 is 7. So x of n into e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into n into k. So k column wise we are going to change. Now we will vary this. N is equal to from 0, 1, 2 and up to 7. Okay, 0 to 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So then once we substitute this and get the general equation, it will be easy for us to substitute k value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, up to 7, right? So now we will have this x of k, which is equal to, so x of 0 and e raised to 0 we can write, because n and n is 0 now. Next 1, so x of 1 into e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1k, plus x of 2 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2k, plus x of 3 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 3k plus x of 4 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 4k plus x of 5 into e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 5k plus x of 6 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 6k plus x of 7 e raised to minus j 2 pi by 8 into 7k. So like this you have to start writing this equation. So this becomes our general equation. So if it is this is what the general equation. Later on we have to start substituting this k value. Okay, this you have to remember.